Welcome to Dental Laser Coaching. Let me take a moment and let you know why we are here and what we do. We all know lasers are cutting edge and the most precise tool available today. If lasers are this awesome, why doesn't every dentist have one? Most ophthalmologists, veterinarians have a laser, and almost every dermatologist actually has multiple lasers. It seems there are many misperceptions of what dental lasers can and cannot do. Actually, if anything, there is a sense that dental lasers are not ready for prime time and cannot deliver on the marketing hype. Why is this? In the early days of dental lasers, visionaries saw the potential of dental lasers and the future was bright. However, many manufacturers marketed only the extreme benefits and not the reality of what lasers could do at the time. It would be like if Apple advertised all the benefits of the iPhone, when in actuality they were just launching the second generation of the original Apple computer. Many laser companies used this as their marketing platform and played to the fact that most people fear the dentist and have anxiety toward dentistry. No shot, no drill, no pain. The old days of fearing dentistry would be gone. All your patients will love you and you'll make lots of money. Sounds great. Though these things could be done with lasers, many manufacturers fell short of educating how to do these things, and this led to a lot of problems. Let me explain. Traditional dentistry uses a handpiece and touches the tooth and requires a tactile feel. Many dentists could work blindfolded on tactile feel alone. Alternatively, lasers are visual, not tactile, and the learning curve was very different than the traditional drill. Not harder, just different. It's like learning to juggle 3 balls. Very hard at first, but once you get the hang of it, it is easy if you are taught properly. With lasers, you must understand the laser wavelength, what that wavelength is attracted to, then you must learn to juggle the 3 dental laser technique keys: distance from the target, speed of movement, and settings adjustments. Many companies focus on the sales side only, not the training side. Engineers and physicists were left in charge of creating dental training manuals, which made it even more confusing. All this led to many dentists having expensive lasers and not knowing how to use them. In addition, different types of lasers have different clinical pros and cons. For example, one laser may be great at coagulation, but poor in non-vascular tissue. One laser can optimally kill bacteria, but be harmful around implants. And the list goes on. Unfortunately, all the dentists hear about are the pros and none of the cons. In summary, what happened was that a handful of dentists proactively self-taught themselves and became very good and proficient laser dentists. However, most of the dentists did not get the proper training or have the proper laser for their practice's needs. This all resulted in an overall perception that only a few people can make lasers work, and lasers cannot do as advertised and are overhyped and overpriced. But that was then. Today there is good news. Dental laser technology is ready for prime time. Dental technology and training have evolved, and the level of clinical precision and specific training is available today in dentistry. Today, dental lasers are much easier to use. They have simplified touchscreens, clinical libraries on the units themselves, and many can be updated via Wi-Fi and are much more stable. Not only have the features made it easier, the costs have gone down. Dental laser coaching takes the chaos and complexity out of laser evaluation, laser physics, and laser and tissue interaction, and can help you target exactly what laser you need and how to optimize that laser. Dental laser coaching is here to educate you on the pros and cons of each type of laser offered, both new and old. We take the uncertainty out of the dental lasers. Dental laser coaching is a one-stop shop for all the latest regarding dental lasers. We believe that many people fear coming to the dentist, which is unnecessarily hard on both the patient and the dentist. However, we also believe that the proper use of laser technology can transform that paradigm from one of fear to one of gratitude. Start optimally utilizing lasers to better serve your patients, your practice, and you.